2026 Yamaha XT 250. The big change everyone's been waiting for, Auto World. Introduction. The Yamaha XT 250 has always been known for its reliability, simplicity, and go-anywhere attitude. But the 2026 Yamaha XT 250 introduces the biggest change the model has seen in years. More power, improved technology, and a stronger presence in the United States market. Trust me, this upgrade is real. Welcome to Auto World, where we explore machines built for true adventure, a new level of power. The XT 250 has traditionally focused on practicality, but the 2026 model finally brings a noticeable boost in performance. Riders will immediately feel the stronger acceleration, smoother torque delivery, and improved climbing power. Yamaha has refined the engine to give the bike more confidence on both pavement and trails without losing its signature dependability. Modern features for modern riders. This year's XT 250 receives important updates that riders in the US have been asking for. Improved fuel mapping provides better efficiency, while refined suspension tuning gives a more comfortable and controlled ride. The braking system is sharper, giving riders greater confidence on steep descents or city streets. Built to explore. The lightweight feel remains, but the 2026 model handles rough terrain with more stability than ever. The bike strikes the perfect balance for beginners, daily commuters, and off-road explorers. Whether you're navigating forest roads or tackling weekend desert trails, the upgraded XT 250 responds with more strength and precision. A trusted name in the United States, the XT 250 continues to be one of the most trusted dual-sport motorcycles in the US. Yamaha's updates show they're listening to American riders who want more capability without sacrificing simplicity. The 2026 edition reinforces that trust, stronger, more efficient, and built for real-world adventure. En conclusion, the 2026 Yamaha XT 250 is not just an update, it's a transformation. More power, smarter tuning, and improved handling make it one of the most exciting dual-sport options of the year. If you love machines that are simple, durable, and ready for anything, this XT 250 is worth your attention. Thanks for watching Auto World, your home for everything on wheels. Subscribe for more reviews and updates on the latest machines.